Hi, my name is Bill Oswald. I'm the service manager here at Patrick Mini. Today we're going to be talking to you about the brake pads on your vehicle. Okay, here you have a set of brake pads that is used and off of the vehicle. And here you have a brand new pad. So as you can see, the thickness difference between both sets. Now this is your brake pad wear sensor. Basically this will make contact with the brake rotor, and when the pad wears down enough, it will turn the light on your dash. There's normally an electrical cord that runs off of here, and when this makes contact with the brake rotor, it completes the electrical circuit and turns the light on. Now these are the brake rotors that come off of the vehicle. This is a new set, this is the old set. As you can see here, you get all the rust in the ventilation system here, but also you start to get a lip on the edge of the rotor, and basically the thickness of this brake rotor, when they get older, they get too thin, and what will happen is we basically measure the thickness of the rotor. If it's above spec, we leave it alone. If it's below spec, it needs to be replaced. And the reason we replace it is to ensure that it doesn't develop any vibration or noise issues. What will happen is if it gets too thin, the heat will start to cause the brake rotor to warp from the pads braking on it and collapsing into friction. And then you'll get a vibration while braking in the steering wheel. So obviously when that happens and that rotor is below spec, we then replace it with a new rotor, and that will also cause brake fade if the rotor is too thin as well. So your stopping distance will be lengthened. So when we put the new rotors on, it'll shorten up your stopping distance.